Today is lunar eclipse day in India. So this is 31st January 2018.
18.
And we will be doing a little experiment to validate what our ancestors have been saying, that we shouldn't eat food that has been cooked before lunar eclipse, as it is supposed to get stale and there is no energy left in that food. So I will be taking help of Rudraksh, which I am wearing. So for those who don't know, Rudraksh has a ability to find out if a food is good for us or not. So it will find out if it has a positive prana. That's how food is classified in classic yoga and Ayurveda, whether it is good for us or not. So the lunar eclipse has just set in at this place in New Delhi. So I would just do at the beginning. So we will see when the food is good. So the Rudraksh moves clockwise. So as the time progresses, the speed in which the Rudraksh moves around the food clockwise. So it keeps on reducing, and at the end, after lunar eclipse, we will see the Rudraksh will be going anti-clockwise, which tells us that the food has become stale. So after this lunar eclipse, so we will just do it now. So it has started going clockwise. So as you can see, this clockwise movement tells us the food is still good to eat. It is full of positive prana. Now we will check after some time. So we have this lunar eclipse running from 5:41 p.m. To up to 8:51 p.m. So we will check after some time and see how it
Lunar
goes.
eclipse advances.
Yeah, as lunar eclipse advances, the 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 velocity with which this Rudraksh is moving, so it will slow down. At one point of time, it will go pendulum, and then it will uh, become
Turn
rotate
anti-clock.
anti-clockwise. So let's see whether it is true or not. So let's see again after some time. Thank you. It is hour and a half after we did our last test. So it is just in between the lunar eclipse. So let's see what Rudraksh tells us about this. Does it rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, or if it is just still? If you can come closer. So as we can see, just 1.5 hour back, it was rotating clockwise. Now it is just still. It's doing nothing. So let's say after an hour when lunar eclipse ends, how it behaves at that time. I think let's so it has been the full lunar eclipse has completed, and it must be around more than 3 hours now from the beginning of the video. So let us see what happens when what happens to the cooked food after 3.5 hours after the whole lunar eclipse. can see now this Rudraksh is going anti-clockwise, and it shows that the food has become totally stale without any energy. So why this happens is what science behind this says that today the moon was in fast forward mode, and all the 28 phases just happened in 3 hours. So you can say the food has aged 28 days in just 3 hours. So that's the reason uh, we say that cooked food that has been cooked before eclipse should not be eaten. Thank you.